Morning, students. Due to some network issue, I was unable to, or we were unable to do the lecture in the fluency. So I thought to record the lecture for your benefit. So we were in the point that is chemical sterilization. I will explain you the chemical sterilization through this video part. So I explained you the principle of the gases sterilization. Then through I will explain you why we will do this, why we will use the method of chemical method, or why we will use the gases sterilization. Okay. What happens in the chemical sterilization? The principle behind the chemical sterilization is there it happens. It is a protein coagulation, disruption of the cell membrane, which result in the damage or loss of a content, means loss of a cell, means हमको microorganism को kill करना है, तो हमको ये what means the principle how it works, disruption of cell membrane means destruction of cell या cell का destruction हो रहा है वहाँ पे. Okay. Removal of sulfur hydryl group means the chemical composition which is present in the bacteria or the microorganism, that is sulfur hydryl group is removed. Okay. Which essential for the enzyme, means it has enzymatic action, okay, on substrate competition. Next is the chemical agents like alcohol, aldehydes, dyes, acridines, halogens. There are phenols, gases, and many other things are there, what we can use as an disinfectant or gas sterilization or chemical method. Okay. First we will see about the alcohols. There are various types of alcohol such as ethyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. Many types of alcohols are present in the chemistry, but here we will means mainly ethyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol is used for the purpose of sterilization. What it do, or what is the concentration we must use for this? We will use about 60 to 90% of alcoholic preparation for purpose of disinfection or purpose of sterilization. Isopropyl alcohol is used for disinfection of clinical thermometer. When we use the clinical thermometer, we sterilize it with the isopropyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is effective on the fungal or spore on the treatment of a cabinet or incubator. Means when we need to sterilize the incubator, we will sterilize it with methyl alcohol. It is toxic and inflammable. Why we will not use methyl alcohol everywhere? Because it is inflammable. Isopropyl alcohol, it is having the less percentage or less concentration, though it is not inflammable or toxic. Methyl alcohol is toxic when we are using it on the screen surface. Okay. Then the next part is aldehyde. Aldehyde aldehyde has been used such as formaldehyde, uh, glutaldehyde. Okay. So glutaldehyde is such as sorry, formaldehyde is what it will do. It has bactericidal activity, sporocidal activity, which gives the lethal effect. Lethal effect means what? Which gives decreased effect, or it will kill the microorganism. Okay. Used to preserve the anatomically, means what we anatomicals such as कोई preparation है या कोई जो species है, botanical species है या फिर zoological species, उसको preserve करके रखने के लिए हम ये anatomy means we use the formaldehyde in the form of formalin. Okay. Specimen or destroying the anthrax spores of the hairs. Okay. This is the certain use of formaldehyde. Then what is the use of glutaldehyde? It is used against the tubercle bacilla, means जो tuberculosis की जो bacilla है, tubercle bacilla, उसको kill करने के लिए हम glutaldehyde use करते हैं. It is also helpful in the killing or destruction of fungi, viruses. Why we will use this glutaldehyde? As it is less toxic and irritant to the eyes and skin. uh, and why we will use this glutaldehyde, or where it is been naturally used? It is used to treat the corrugated rubber, anesthetic rubber. Okay. For sterilizing the anesthetic preparations, or it is also been used in the use in face mask, plastics, endothelial tubes, and metal instrument and polythene tubing. Okay. Means where it is used on the rubber material. Okay. Glutaldehyde. Next, we will move towards the dyes. Dyes such as we will use here aniline dyes, acridine dyes is been used here. It gives an bacteriostatic activity. On the dilution, it gives bactericidal activity. Okay, aniline dye is more active against gram positive than the gram negative organism. It is in the microbiological lab is selective agent in the culture media. It is used as selective agent. Okay, aniline dyes. It is work on. It will be working on gram positive bacteria. On dilution, on concentrated, it gives bacteriostatic activity, and on dilution, it gives bactericidal activity. Next is acridine dyes. Acridine dyes such as proroflavin, acriflavin, euflavin, aminacrin. Okay, these are the certain acridine dyes which are used. This what they do, they impair the DNA complex of the organism and thus kill the destroy the reproductive capacity of the cell. Means what they do, they फर्स्ट गो अंडरगो द सेल डिस्ट्रक्शन, डीएनए का डिस्ट्रक्शन करते, कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म करते हैं और रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल की जो कैपेसिटी है उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं. Okay, this is the action of acridine dyes. Next is halogen. Halogen such as halogen groups, you know that iodine, chlorine. Okay, these are the certain halogenic group. So iodine is used as skin disinfectant. आप जैसे आपको पता है जब हमको चोट लगती है और when we form the wound, first thing the doctor applies iodine solution. Okay, why it has disinfectant activity. It gives bactericidal activity, moderate action on the spores. Means spore bacterial spore forming activity जो है उससे form होती है. Okay, next is chlorine. Chlorine why will use water supplies or a swimming pool or the food dairy industries, this there the chlorine is applied. Okay, swimming pools में क्यों रहेगा, chlorinated water is there. As why we will use the chlorinated water, because when we enter into the swimming pool then we can form the fungal activities या fungal disease हमको हो सकती है, इसलिए we will use chlorine water. Okay, along with the hypochlorite it gives bactericidal activity. Means what is the activity of chlorine here, it gives bactericidal activity. It act also means it is also helpful to destruct the viruses also. Okay, next is phenols. Phenols such as coal tars. Okay, or especially phenol, cresol, these are the certain phenolic groups which we can use as an sterilizing agent. Okay, obtained from the distillation. How it is obtained, where if you are studied in the organic chemistry you must be knowing where the phenol is obtained, where from the phenol is obtained. Then too I will explain to you, after distillation of the coal tar we obtain the phenol. Okay, what is the activity of phenol here, it gives lethal effect. Means what lethal effect means, what it is having the capacity to cause the cell membrane damage. Okay, means destruction of cell membrane is what it is give the lethal effect. Okay, आपको अगर lethal effect नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, lethal effect means decrease of the microorganism or the capacity of the cell membrane to get destroyed. Okay, releasing of a cell content or causing a cell lysis. Cell lysis means what, destruction of the cell. Low concentration will precipitate the protein. मीन्स सबसे पहले मैंने आपको बताया है कि हम जब स्टरलाइजेशन कर रहे हैं किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म का, तो फर्स्ट थिंग विल ऑब्टेन इज प्रोटीन डिनेचुरेशन और प्रोटीन कोएगुलेशन के बाद डिनेचुरेशन और देन lysis of the microorganism. The low concentration will precipitate the protein, here the phenolic activity. Now then later the gaseous effect, as I told you about the formaldehyde, ethylene oxide or beta propylene, we explained about the formaldehyde. Then too we will explain about the ethylene oxide. What is the action of ethylene oxide? Then action is due to its alkalinate property, that is amino or carboxyl group, hydroxyl group, sulfhydryl group. What is the groups various present in the ethylene oxide? That is alkylating agent. It is act as an alkylating agent. Next it is having the amino group, carboxyl group, hydroxyl group and sulfhydric groups. Also the where it is used, it is used in the heart lung machine or respirator or sutures when we are operating or when we are doing the surgeries. There we need an ethylene oxide for sterilizing purpose. So where we will use it? In the heart lung machine, in the respirator, even in the sutures, ligatures and dental equipments. You must be knowing about the sutures and ligature. You must have studied in the pharmaceutics that about sutures. Okay. Next is formaldehyde gases. It is used for fumigation purpose in the OT. As I explained in the last lectures, in the last Saturday, I explained you about the formaldehyde gas for preparation of OT, means operation theater. There it is used of formaldehyde gas. Okay, uh, means I told you that in one room there is a formaldehyde solution is kept and the blast is occur, and thus the particular room or operation theater is get sterilized. Next is BPL, means BPL is a product of ketone and formaldehyde, means ketonic group and formaldehyde gives a BPL. Means what it happen, boiling point is 163 and rapid biocidal activity, means biocidal activity, it is having the biocidal activity, and it is an carcinogenic material, means cancer causing agent. Okay, the capable of killing the microorganism with very less active agent, such as viruses, means it can kill the viruses also. Next is um, surface active agents such as cationic, anionic, non-ionic, and amphoteric groups. Okay. What is the means? What are the surface active agent? The substance that alter the energy relationship interfaces, producing the reduction of surface tension. Okay, means जो agent surface tension को reduce करता है या surface action को reduce करता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Surface active agent. It is widely used as a wetting agent. You must be knowing in the pharmaceutics where it is abundantly used there. And what is had means surface active agent की property क्या है? It is also known as wetting agent, detergents which come under the surface active agent, and emulsifiers also. There are four main groups, that is cationic surface active agent, cationic, a non-ionic, and amphoteric surface active agent. Both are examples है SLS, CLS. Okay, sodium lauryl sulfate is example of surface active agent. Okay, then next is a metallic salt. The salt of a heavy metal having greater action. Okay, metallic activity such as salts of silver, salts of copper, salts of mercury. It is also having such bactericidal or microorganism killing activity. Next is the protein coagulation and have the capacity to combine with the free sulfhydryl groups. Means sulfhydryl groups को kill करने की activity किसमें है? Metallic salts में है. Next, I will explain you tomorrow about the evaluation of efficiency of sterilizing material, where I will explain you about heat sterilization, gas sterilization, radiation, and filtration sterilization. Thank you. This was a lecture that, as it was interrupting in our actual Zoom lectures. So, for your beneficial, I had recorded this lecture. So, thank you.